How to fix iPhone and iPad home button not working. Make sure the home button is clean. Before trying anything else, clean the home button from any dirt that might be stuck inside. Use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small drop of alcohol on the home button and thoroughly clean it while pressing down to take out as much dirt as possible. But don't press too hard as you can damage the button. Calibrate the home button. On your device, open any stock app that was already pre-installed like Weather, Notes, or other. When the app is opened, press and hold the sleep button until you see the slide to power off prompt. Now, press the home button again and hold it for about a few seconds until the power off screen disappears and the app closes. If asked, enter the passcode. You should be taken to the home screen. Update iPhone and iPad. Go to the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Tap on Software Update. Wait while your device searches for updates. If found any, at the bottom tap on Download and Install, confirm the action. Change the home button click speed. Go to your iOS device settings. Scroll down a little and go to Accessibility. Tap on Home button. Select any other option you want. Now restart your iPhone or iPad. Reset your device to factory settings. This action will delete everything on your device. If you have any important data like photos, video, documents, apps, etc., make sure to back it up to iCloud or Mac. Go to the Settings app. Then go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Tap on Erase all content and settings and confirm the action. Wait for your device to boot. Follow the instructions to set up your device again. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select from where you want to restore your data and follow the instructions. Turn on and use Assistive Touch. If you can't get the home button to work, turn on Assistive Touch. It's a virtual home button that's displayed on the screen and has all features of the home button as well as additional ones. Go to Settings, scroll down a little bit and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Touch. Tap on Assistive Touch. Tap on the slider next to Assistive Touch to turn it on. Tap on the Assistive Touch button and choose an action. Contact Apple and get the home button repaired. If you are not able to fix the home button, contact Apple support for further assistance. If your warranty is not yet expired, take it to a nearby Apple store. If the warranty is expired, unfortunately, you'll have to pay for the repair. Thank you for watching.